Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram as you see, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will find here clear data. It will not be delete your account. It is just to go here to this storage as you see, to clear your storage as you see on Telegram.